Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where I talk about the latest and most exciting developments in the field of artificial intelligence. In today's video, I'm going to discuss how AI is affecting the labor market and the future of work. I'll also explain how AI is not only taking over some human jobs, but also creating new ones that require different skills and abilities. So, if you're curious about how AI is reshaping the world of work and what it means for you, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's dive in. AI is a powerful technology that can potentially replace many human jobs in various sectors. However, AI can also create new jobs and opportunities for humans, as well as enhance the quality and efficiency of existing work. Here are some of the main sectors that will be impacted by AI in the near future. Finance and banking. AI can automate tasks such as data collection, analysis, fraud detection, customer service, and financial advice. AI can also help banks improve their risk management, compliance, and decision making. However, AI may also pose challenges for the banking sector, such as ethical issues, cybersecurity threats, and regulatory uncertainty. According to a report by Forbes, around 56% of banks have already implemented AI into their business domains. Information processing. AI can generate text and other content in response to user prompts, using tools such as Chat and Google's Bard. AI can also help with programming, writing, research, and education. However, AI may also have limitations, such as accuracy, reliability, and creativity. According to a report by Goldman Sachs too, around 30% of existing jobs across the OECD could be at potential risk of automation by generative AI by the mid-2030s. Healthcare. AI can assist doctors and nurses with diagnosis, treatment, surgery, and patient care. AI can also help with drug discovery, medical imaging, and personalized medicine. However, AI may also raise ethical, legal, and social issues, such as privacy, consent, liability, and human dignity. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, AI could add $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with healthcare being one of the most promising sectors for AI adoption. Agriculture. AI can help farmers with crop monitoring, pest control, irrigation, harvesting, and supply chain management. AI can also help with food security, sustainability, and quality. However, AI may also face challenges such as data availability, infrastructure, and environmental impact. According to a report by McKinsey, AI could increase agricultural productivity by up to 25% by 2030. These are just some of the examples of how AI can replace or create jobs in different sectors. The impact of AI will depend on various factors such as the level of technology development, the cost of adoption, the demand for human skills, and the social and regulatory environment. Therefore, it is important for humans to adapt to the changing world of work by learning new skills, embracing lifelong learning, and collaborating with machines. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something new about how AI is replacing human jobs and creating new jobs. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments below what you think about AI and its impact on work. Do you think AI will create more jobs than it destroys? What kind of jobs do you think will be in high demand in the future? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.